In today's video, I'll show you exactly how much money we saved by harvesting our own garlic scapes versus buying them at the store. In the first video of this series, I showed you that we saved $157 by growing our own asparagus. So let's see how much more we saved this season by growing another high-end crop, garlic scapes. Hi everybody, I'm Judy DiLorenzo with A Life Well Planted, and let's get started. First of all, we're in hardiness zone 6A. And each fall, my husband plants about 300 cloves of hardneck garlic in a patch that's about 18 by 20. The following June, he picks the scapes. A few weeks later, the bulbs are ready. The scapes are basically a bonus crop. Only hardneck varieties of garlic produce scapes. Softneck varieties do not. If you want to learn more about planting and harvesting this particular crop, check out the links below. Jamie picked all of the scapes on June 10th. Let's weigh them up and see exactly how much this crop produced, and then we can tally up how much we saved by harvesting scapes compared to buying them at the store or farmer's market. Okay, 3.84 pounds. I'll round it up to 4 pounds, especially since we already ate a handful. When I researched online to try to figure out the 2026 national average price for organic garlic scapes, I got a wide range, anywhere from $6.99 to $12.99 a pound. I know the garlic scape season is really short and they are in demand, so I guess the growers and the grocers can charge whatever they desire because folks will still buy them anyway. Let's go with the median price, $10.99, which happens to be what my local natural food grocer sells them for. Okay, so 4 pounds times $10.99 equals another $44 in savings. So let's add the $44 to our running counter, and now we're up to a total savings so far this season of $201 compared to if we had purchased the same amount of produce at the grocery store. And we still have a lot more to harvest between now and fall, so this is just the beginning. What will we do with 4 pounds of garlic scapes? Well, first of all, they keep really well in the refrigerator. I find up to 3 months. We love them grilled, and I'll add them to a variety of dishes such as stir fries, pasta dishes, soups, salads. They're even great as a pizza topping. I'll make scape pesto. I'll make enough to freeze in jars for the off-season. I'll also dehydrate a bunch, and then I'll grind it into garlic scape powder. It'll be interesting to see exactly how much Jamie's garden saved us throughout the whole season. Strawberries are up next. So far, I've picked over 10 pounds. And because they're ever-bearers, I'm sure we'll be picking many more pounds before the season is over. Subscribe so you can watch the rest of the videos in this series, and thanks so much for watching.